How exciting! Your first triangle congruence proof that you are doing without help. This one is only going to be about 3 lines. The given statements and the symbols are actually in there for you. HD is congruent to GD. ED is congruent to FD. We've got the congruence, the respective congruence marks there, and that's given. And number 2, so you're always looking for the triangle congruence. So that means you've got SSS, SAS, angle, side, angle, maybe some, have you learned hypotenuse, leg yet? I don't think so, maybe not. And then maybe not like AS, that might be coming. And soon you'll know why, this is off on a little tangent here, that ASS is a swear word, not a congruent shortcut. I'll put in a video a little later to show you why. But okay, back to the proof. One key feature here is that this angle, HDE, is congruent to GDF because those are vertical angles. Anytime you make an X, that's a key thing to notice there. So I'm going to put angle HDE is congruent to angle GDF. Because these are angles, I do not need to worry about the order in which these come, because angle HDE is the same as EDH. They're the same. But when and that's by vertical angles. But when I make my congruent statement that I want to make congruent triangles, I do need to make sure of the order, because the corresponding sides need to match, and angles. So let's see, DGF now, I have what I need. DGF should be congruent to, and I wrote this little pathway here because I start at D, I go along the side that has 1 mark, and then I go to the vertex that has no marks. I need to do that the same way for this other triangle. So it's DHE. Order is important when you're making congruent statements for triangles, and that is because I have SAS. I have a side, that angle, and a side. The angle is in between them, congruent to a side, angle, side. SAS is the final reason. I think it would be good here also because things are going to get a little bit more complicated, and so that teachers can give you feedback, start numbering your lines. Mini proofs are going to be sometimes 4 or 5 lines long.